Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to transfer iPhone photos to a laptop. By storing files in iCloud, you can access them on any device by signing in with your Apple ID. This is a wireless and convenient way to transfer files. Just note that iCloud gives 5 GB of free storage. You can subscribe if you need more space. Firstly, open the Files app on your iPhone and locate the files you want to transfer. Tap the 3 dots, then select Choose Multiple Files. Now tap the 3 dots again at the bottom and select Copy Items. Tap Browse at the bottom, then choose iCloud Drive. Then long press in a folder location inside iCloud Drive, then tap Past. The files are now uploaded to iCloud. Now open a browser on your computer and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and click iCloud Drive. Select the files you want to save, then click the download icon at the top. The files are now downloaded to your PC. For extra help, you can activate the auto-sync option. Instead of moving files manually, go to Settings, your name, and then iCloud on your iPhone. Toggle on the data you want to sync like files, photos, contacts, etc. and these will always be available on your PC via iCloud.com or the iCloud for Windows app. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.